So I didn't have to like talk to the bank about Mark's line of credit and all that. Kraft just kind of became the bank for us. And then there's a bunch of like any business owner. I mean, any business owner could relate, but there's a bunch of just like bullshit legal stuff you get that's like half of it's scam and half you don't even know how to navigate it. It's like so overwhelming. And I would say more than half of it's scam, to be honest with you. But that stuff, like just Kraft Heinz is so used to dealing with all that. So that was lifted off my plate. So all the parts of the business, running the business that kind of sucked, like Kraft provided a lot of like support on like managing cash flow, bank stuff. Like they poured, I remember one year they're like, we need you to be more profitable. And I was like, then cut my marketing budget. And they're like, no, we want to put the marketing behind Primal Kitchen. It's like, here's $20 million, right? You have a $20 million marketing budget next year. And I was like begging them to take some of my marketing dollars back and they wouldn't take it. They're like, no, that's your marketing budget. Like,
Oh my gosh.
spend it.
Big
Like,
numbers. Big
yeah,
numbers
big
there.
numbers. So yeah.
You- You're not even phased by it, Morgan. That's crazy. Crazy. You're not afraid of big numbers. How did it feel like when the money hit the bank account? Like how long does that take anyways for when you sell a business, you
You
guys
get a
have
wire transfer the day you close.
the same
So
day?
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Okay. Big
Yeah.
chunk. Okay. That's
But
cool.
every deal is different. Sometimes people don't sell 100% of their company, or sometimes they're like, they'll be like entering into like Kavita structured their buyout when they were under 10 million in revenue. And it was kind of like Pepsi bought Kavita and Pepsi was like, we'll pay X amount dependent on like, where you're at in 3 years. So like every deal's so different. But for us, it was just 100% cash buyout transfer on the day the business closed.
Sign on a dotted line and wait. That's cool.
Yeah.
My
Mark and I were
goodness.
in like full denial. We're like, there's no way this is actually happening until like the day the money was wired, I would say. And
Oh,
so I had my first raker on November 6th, and then we sold on the 28th,
hmm.
and or we signed on the 28th of November. And I came home from a hospital on Friday, and then on Saturday, Mark and I had like a 2 hour call. We went through, we bonused because Mark had an existing company that we launched Primal Kitchen under. We didn't really have like an employee pool, but Mark and I talked the whole time we were building about the bonuses we wanted to give to people, and we were like quite generous. So every single person who worked for us got a bonus. We called everyone individually. It was like lots of tiers, like, graphic designers with huge bonuses, like
Hmm.
people, anyone who was in the warehouse, driving a forklift, doing anything got a bonus from us. We bonus everyone. And some bonuses were like, $1 million, $2 million, $500,000. I mean, they were significant. So
Yeah.
it was
I
fun.
mean,
It was kind of like that was the best part of the whole thing.
of course. I think you guys are the big deal, you and Mark, Morgan, because you guys take care of your employees, which help make the companies. Kudos to
Yeah.
you guys. Kudos.